Hello, this is Chris Yost at Bullion RV in beautiful Duluth, Minnesota. Today is Thursday, December 12th, 2024. Behind me, newly arrived, is our brand new, all new 2025 Grand Design Solitude 380FL fifth wheel. We're gonna show you on the outside, show you the inside, see what you guys think.
Well, I'm very happy today to be in 70-degree comfort, because right now out there it's about 10 to 13 below zero. So that's why you grab something like this. Grab your 1-ton diesel. Get the heck south where it's nice and warm. Anyway, 380FL, one of the best-selling Solitudes we've ever had here on the lot. Here's the all-new one, new graphics. Obviously, same nice fiberglass cap with the automotive style windshield up there. We'll see that when we go inside. A little tight quarters here, sorry guys. Of course, huge storage. It's always so nice because it even goes up. I have some clients that put bikes in here. There's so much room. Back up a little bit here. As you can see the new graphics along the windows. Obviously frameless windows. Got the fold-up aluminum step. Got the LP Quick Connect that's tied right to the 30-pound propane tank, so you can bring along your favorite Coleman, Blackstone grill. Got underneath lighting here on the drop frame. Storage here. I think they were doing some winterization, so that access panel's out right now, so that's why you see all the hoses. Here's your central vacuum. Got the rubber floor there, it makes it easier to clean. Spray port right there to spray off the stairs if you want before you fold them up. Now we're going to go this way just for fun. Obviously 6-point auto level. Outside speakers here for blaring your Van Halen at the campground. 2 LED lit power awnings, you don't lose patio space. And storage, storage, storage. Look at that. All the way through. A little compartment right here. Got your roof ladder. Backup camera prepped right there. And whether you want to put unwanted guests in here, or if you want to start a morgue, tell you what, nothing like that tray. So nice. Maybe put a little net right there, so if you have stuff in that pass through and you hit the brakes, it's not going to come and pile into whatever you have back here. You have a hitch with a 4-pound plug if you want to get brave and tow something behind this 41-foot 4-inch rig. Just under 15,000 pounds dry. So once again, grab your diesel, your 1-ton. Doesn't have to be a dually, but diesel would be great for something like this. If you're on tankless water heater, here's your hookup center right here, water filtration system for your whole water system. Satellite and cable hookup. Of course, you can run cords down through here. Here's your pad for your auto level. Once again, 30-pound tank on either side. We fill those. We include a brand new deep cycle interstate battery. Complete orientation. We have no hidden fees here at Bullion RV. We're family owned for 70 years this year. That's your MORride pin on the front to prevent choking. Back up one more time and shoot down the side. And we'll go inside. So nice and bright. New fixtures, new sink pans, cutting board / sink cover, glass washer, sprayer here to keep people in line there that are lipping off at the dinner table. All new fixtures, accent lighting. You're gonna have 3 ACs ducted on this coach. At least one's gonna have a heat pump. Got your huge Norcold 12-volt fridge, solar on the roof. A nice pantry. Slide out drawers. And if someone's a bad cook, got a little bathroom right here. Quick access. Obviously that's for guests in case you have people up there. They even give you the curtain to put across for privacy. The 380, you got the nice big oven. You can actually, it's a GE, and you can actually cook a turkey in there. Also a GE microwave at the nice height where you're not going to be spilling stuff on yourself. You have to reach way up. Little prep station here. Solid surface counters here and there. Get up here in the living area. Obviously these both fold out to beds. Or it can just be for 2 people. You don't have to have guests if you don't want to. Obviously the pop-up TV that goes and hides behind the fireplace there, which puts out like 5,000 BTUs of heat. And for that automotive windshield there, window in the front, you do have a screen to pull across for privacy or darkness if you like. As you can see, got the pull-down darkening shades on all the windows. And no carpet, even down there in the kitchen. So if you want to put throw rugs down, go ahead. And if you don't clean, it's a color to where most people won't tell if you clean or not. Little design features like this, slide out storage there with plug-in for the cell phone. And if you notice too, no furnace ducts here. We tuck them in the side over there so you're not stepping on or dropping stuff down in there. We're walking up into the master suite, hanging storage right there for coats. It's so important, or extra clothes. Actually, I think if this was our unit, my wife would probably give me maybe this if I was lucky. It's probably all I'll need, but that's perfect. That's fine. King bed. You got windows on both sides. You can open up to get cross ventilation. What's so nice, if so many people have CPAPs, so they give these little built-in shelves right here with plug-ins. If you need them, those are there. This will lift up for storage. Look at that. Just huge amounts of storage. Look at this. You can hide your guns right there. Put your rifle right there. Plus 2 nice drawers underneath. Just a ton of storage. I mean, this thing's a house on wheels. Got your pocket door there. Another pocket door right here. Hers and hers closets. On the other side of the window. Bedroom TV. Another hidden storage right there. Put your chocolate in there if you want. Oh, don't forget about the hamper. Perfect. I mean, just little things that Grand Design does. Just makes so much sense. Porcelain toilet, by the way, here and in the other one by the kitchen. Dual sink, stainless steel. And look at that. Look at the hair tools accessory drawer. Brand new for this year. Plug-in, cell phone, can sit right there and charge as she's getting pretty. Actual glass doors in the shower. As my sales manager Andy Johnson would say, you've got a little seat there for the ladies to shave their legs. More of a residential shower head there. And with a skylight, I'll show you here. So I'm just over 6'2". I'm not coming with you, but as you can see, I got plenty of room to get clean in here. I mean, this is just a huge bathroom. Plenty of space to get dried off, to get changed. Don't forget this too. If you're not going to put the stackable washer dryer in there, just that much more storage. Huge closet. Once again, pocket door here. You're not going to be swinging that out and hitting somebody, or vice versa. And nice and bright too. I mean, these colors are so nice. You can add your accent colors if you want. If you don't like the plain Jane, add some color to it. Hang some stuff on the wall. One of your throw rugs that are, you know, appropriate for the season. But just so open. Just so nice about the 380, and probably another reason why it's been so popular over the years. I just love this layout. Just love it. If I retire someday, a long time from now, I'll tell you what, grab myself a diesel pickup and one of these. Boy, travel the country. Have plenty of living area, and if you have guests or kids or grandkids that come along, open these up. Gosh, let them sleep. Pull this curtain across here. You get up in the morning, you can have your coffee, your breakfast, head out. They can still stay up here and be out of the way. I mean, it's just perfect. Just perfect. Once again, this is Chris here at Bullion RV in Duluth, Minnesota. For those of you who don't know where Duluth, Minnesota is, if you're looking at a map of the U.S., we're at the far western tip of Lake Superior, or about 2.5 hours due north of Minneapolis, St. Paul. Once again, 70 years family owned this year. I've been here 24 of those years. I'll do whatever I can do to earn your business. We take trades. This one's here, December 12th. It's available right now. The cheapest 25 I can offer anybody. If you're interested, feel free to call or text me anytime, day or night, at 218-393-1472. And if you like this video,
Be sure to hit the subscribe button down below so that every time or any time that we post something new, you'll know exactly what we have available. Stay safe, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and happy camping.